on, mister. Oh, my. Oh. You want to stand up? Oh, yeah. Come on. Show me how to stand up. Really? Oh, no, don't use that. Silly man. Come here. You chasing mommy? Chasing mommy. Crazy boy. Ah, uh-oh. Oh, find daddy's shoes. Oh, stand up all by yourself. Whoops. Take off too fast. Yeah. Where's your new toy? Yeah. Where's your new toy? Where's the hammer? Here. Yay! Did Grandma get you that?
No.
Yeah? Yay! And turn it over. There you go. You got it! Yay! Oh boy. Uh-huh. Standing right up. Such a big boy. Can you look at mommy? Can you smile? Say hi, everybody. Oh boy. Right back up. Is that funny? Where are you going? Oh? Yeah? Trying to walk over toys. Not that easy, huh? Yeah? Yeah? Oh, thank you. Oh. Did you sit on a toy?
No.
Yeah? There you go. Oh my. You're silly. Hi. What are you doing? You got crazy hair today? Yeah. Oh, fine. Hammer, hammer. Can you say bye-bye? Wave bye-bye. Uh-huh. Look at the silly boy. Uh-huh. Don't hit mama. Joshua. What are you doing? There you go. You're silly. Are you trying to get mommy? Say bye-bye. Can I have a kiss? Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.